Good morning, Steve. Hi. Good morning, Rex.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. Happy to start your day?
It's Sunday. I guess it's the last Sunday of August, isn't it? Bummer. Remember when the sun used to be over there? Well, now it's gone. Oh wait, we can find it. Sun's moving to the south. Head south for the warmer weather. Or just stay put. It's coming back to New England. The sky looks a little bit bubbly up there towards your house in Dennis. Towards your house in Winthrop, Dennis. A friend of mine named Dennis. Probably in Wellfleet. That looks like a serious fisherman or lobsterman. Yeah, a little bit bubbly this morning, but the water is glassy. It is a nice boating day. And it's going to be less humid than yesterday. We did end up on Cape Cod, and it never really turned sunny. It was humid, but it was comfortable. It was a nice day, and we didn't get any raindrops. Glassy water, the boats are pointed toward the west a little bit right now, but there's high pressure moving into the Gulf of Maine. Here's the map for this afternoon. That means we're going to have an onshore flow. 80s to near 90 inland today, 70s to low 80s at the beach, and it is a nicer beach day with the lower humidity. Dew points coming down to 60. So these are stratocumulus clouds for the most part, covering most of southern New England actually to start the day, but they're going to evaporate. Nice Sunday. I think we're going to check out the Marshfield Fair. I know I talk a lot about it, and it was 3 downpour days there at the Marshfield Fair, but not today. It looks great. I haven't checked the schedule yet. Sunflowers starting to look a little sad, huh? We're turning into September very soon. Remember that tomato I threw on the ground yesterday? Well, just trying to feed the critters. It's almost gone. Here, rabbits, chipmunks, other things. Not sure if I have any. You know what? I forget to empty my rain gauge yesterday. That's kind of a sin, but it's fun to see it still way up there, isn't it? So the forecast calls for this Gulf of Maine high to gradually evolve into a Bermuda high. A front off to the south of New England kind of divides us from the real warm air, but by tomorrow afternoon, you're going to start to see the wind pick up from the south and southwest. Tomorrow night, the dew point's back to near 70, and it's pretty amazing how much change there's been in that front timing for late next week. It's now the middle of the week, so the front is coming through here on Wednesday with a couple of showers or a thunderstorm, and the wind will come in from the west a little bit late Wednesday, and then there's a colder front and an upper level low Thursday. That kind of means mostly just showers in the mountains, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine, but nothing big in the rainfall department here coming our way. So we're looking at some really nice weather to probably finish out summer on Labor Day weekend, likely cooling off a bit Friday, but then warming back up into the 80s Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And at that time, we'll probably all be looking toward the Atlantic Ocean for hurricanes, one of the quietest hurricane seasons we've had in our life. National Hurricane Center is a little bit bullish on this one in the middle of the Atlantic. I love this zoom.earth satellite. It not only gives you this beautiful satellite image, but tells you where the storm is going to go. Not really a storm now. I'll go to the Euro. You don't want to look at... Oh, no. You don't want to look at the GFS for tropical storms and hurricanes because it just lies. But the Euro, more reliable, shows this system north of Puerto Rico and Haiti by probably about Saturday, September 3rd or so. And then getting into... I'm sorry, north... Yeah, right. And then by Tuesday the 6th, it's near the Bahamas. It doesn't look that impressive, but, you know, it could be a tropical cyclone at that point, and it's not really moving very fast. And if you look at the 500 millibar level, a lot of red on there. That means kind of warm to hot in much of the east. Subtle troughing there in the Great Lakes. What you need is kind of a sharp trough coming down toward the Great Lakes if you want to try and accelerate that in our direction. But who does? Who wants a hurricane? We want that to meander offshore for several days so we can have surf. That's the 2-week forecast. As for yesterday, as shopping for that big cookout we had, it was a success. It was fun. But the Cape Cod Classics Car Club was in the parking lot at Patriot Square. I guess this might be a regular Saturday thing. And I had to stop and say hello to the beautiful cars and people having so much fun there. And also, the picnic was so much better. I'm going to make a separate video for the picnic. Okay, enjoy your Sunday. See you at the fair.
closer.
Sarah, go pretend it's Nora.
No, I need so much tape.
I'll help you. You gotta put your
Pretend
hands on
that's
it.
Nora's face. What would you do?
Ready?
Do you have a
Set.
baseball bat?
Another one.
Yeah.
2. One more.
It was a
3. Good job.
What's the prize? What's the prize?
We have prizes and, new this year, free association dues for the following year to the winners.
Woohoo! Incentive! And then there were tea.
Like a margarita? You want something? No, this is a shooter. Something calm your nerves. You see?
Home court advantage versus the champs.
What? You ready?
Oh, we have a new reigning champion! Congratulations! That's what you get for hosting the 50th annual Arthur Walker Association picnic. Prize goes to the Andrew. No association dues for you next year.
Next year.